it's me, Stephanie. So today we're gonna make regular slime or white slime. I made that too. So I have to right over here. Wait, you see my face down below there. Right here is my white slime or a regular slime. So you just need Ariel. So this is my new bowl too. Ariel. This is my new Ariel too. I have a lot of new. And I have my Elmer's glue right here. And a mix to it's actually not new, but yep, guys. So let's start. So let's first put the glue. So it's good, guys. Come here. Woo! So let's close this because it will get dry on. So first, and we're gonna put the Ariel Power Gel now. So let's just put that all, not that all, because it'll be fast. Right there, it's almost lying, guys. It's good. Fantastic. Oh jeez, actually so good too. So the arrow's here. So that's enough. Oh jeez. So that's for the almost now. More. That's enough. You see it? It's actually good. So do you hear that song? That's the title of Black and White. It's actually sticky, so let's add more in my hands. Oh jeez, I put a lot. You see that? So here's my slime. It's an activate. I put a lot, guys. So here's my slime. So I know that song. It's actually so good too. So here's my slime. It's are so good. So I'm just be right back. So I'm back, guys. Here's my slime. So I'm gonna mix it right here so it will be giant or fill this bowl. Oh, this is so good. Oh, it's kind of a giant now. Just hold the bowl so it will move. It's so good. So yeah, guys, bye guys. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below if you like my white slime or regular slime, even my giant slime now. So this is a bit of giant. So yeah, guys, bye. You see my face there. So yeah, guys, bye.